Front-end developer job. You can see the salary range is 75,000 to 100k a year. Front-end developer WordPress specialist. Location hybrid Brisbane CBD. Take full-time or contract. Start as soon as possible ASAP. About this job, we are my digital health and traditional digital health company organization, my weight loss client, my technical client in my green clinic. More, we are obsessed the clever code, clean UI, and pushing above boundaries in health tech. We don't do vanilla. We do not innovation with clinical edge. The role, we are looking for a sharp, creative front-end developer with deep WordPress experiences to help us building sleek, responsive, and conversational optimized website and landing pages that make people say, "Damn, that's good." You will be doing like custom coding beautiful mobile fast WordPress theme. Even we have cheat using Elementor sometimes too. Integrate API plugins from an third-party tool easy. Building building paint, boarding floors, practical dashboards, and landing pages that convert. Collaborating with our designer, marketing, and clinical teams to turn idea into lighting fast functional pages. Optimize speed, SEO, UX, and eliminated friction wherever you find it. You should bring 3-year plus front-end developer experiences with HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, and PHP. Strong WordPress experiences, theme creation, SEF, WP, query, custom post, tape, knowledge of modern JS framework, a plus React, and other, familiarity with Figma or Adobe XD, an eye for cleaning, design, and initiative UX. Bonus expenses with health, or patient-facing platform. Thank you so much.